These things are kind of pocket lathes, huh? And they're tiny. They're good for very fine work. They come with a lot of attachments, milling attachments, grinders, and all kinds of funny little things. You know, they're cool. I have quite a collection of them. I wouldn't mind selling them, trading them, so I can get myself bigger machines. Another one of my favorites in baby lathes and are, oh my goodness, these things. Probably you can't see it too well. This has got all the attachments for it. I believe they call them cataract lathes. I got a number of those. We'll go over here where it's more light and I have a big cataract lathe. None of this video on this before, but we'll take a look, huh? These are awesome little things. I believe this is Harding, right? Cataract lathe, Harding Brothers. Clean it up, get it a little restored, get it dry for it. To be able to do fine work. It's a tiny drill press. Well, I got a 3,000-pound drill press. A radial drill. Haven't fired it up yet. Sure, that's going to be fun. Alright, bye.